In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save or convert a GIMP project file to a PDF file format. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab at the top left, and then go down and select Print. And now at the top where it says Printer, click the drop-down and select Microsoft Print to PDF, and then select the Print button at the bottom. And then you will be prompted with where you want to save the file on your device. You can save it to the desktop, for example, name it whatever you want, and then select Save. And then once it is done printing, you can see it's down at the bottom, it was working on it. You can then open up the PDF on our desktop, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.